Hello student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the topic. The topic name is adverb. Okay, it is a very important topic. So listen carefully all the videos and then solve the book exercise of your book. Okay, so let's start the video. So here the topic is adverb. Okay, in which we have to know about the introduction and the definition of adverb and the kinds of adverb and the position of the adverb. Okay, so here the what do the follow word convey, like catching, flighting, swimming, crying. These are the verb. Okay, these are the verb. Clear? So they convey some of the other action done. Okay, what are these action word called? These action word is called as a verb. Okay, so action word known as a adverb. So here the what action can you see here, like a painting. Okay, a painting. A craftsman requires a lot of skill and hard work to make an idol. Okay, so next is the craftsman is working. So working is a action word. Here the action word is working. Let us describe the craftsman's action with the some other words. Some other words add like a fast. The craftsman is working fast. Okay. So action word is working, and one word add in the help of or describe of the verb. The word is fast. So this fast word is known as a adverb. Next you can see here hard, carefully, slowly, fast. All these words known as a adverb. Okay. 1 minute. All these words modify the verb. So these words known as a adverb. Okay, which verb it modify? Modify of the working. Working is a action word. Next is Mr. Brown spoke well. So here is the verb spoke. Okay, so spoke and the girls. The sun is shone brightly. The sun shone. Shone is a verb and the verb modified by the word brightly. Okay. Next is word that modify or describe verbs are called adverb. Okay. It is a definition of adverb. Adverb means a word that modify or the describe of verb are called adverb. We can also say that when some of the word add the meaning or say something about the verb, that is known as adverb. Okay. Now using of adverb. First use of the adverb is here. Here the sentence. My brother look really handsome. Okay. Look really handsome. Really what is a adverb and look is a verb. So the word really modify the adjective. Okay. Which adjective? Adjective is a nice or handsome. Okay. So this is the word that modify adjective. So we can also use the adverb to modify or describe about the adjective. Okay. Next is the word that modify or describe adjective are also treated as a adverb. It's clear. Next is the dog is absolutely quiet. Okay. Absolutely is a adverb, and here the verb is. Okay. And here the delicately perfume. Delicately is adverb, but perform is also a adverb. Okay. So in this sentence you can see usage of the adverb as a part 2. She spoke extremely confidently. Ethan can't speak very fluently. The words very and extremely both are modify the adverb fluently and confidently. Okay. So these type of the adverb also modify or describe of the adverb. So word that modify or describe another adverb are also known as adverb. So in this topic we have to learn about that some of the word, okay, some of the word that modify or describe of verb, of adjective, of adverb. Okay, so if any word describe or modify a verb, adjective or adverb, these words known as a adverb. I hope you all understand it. Okay, next is let us sum up the uses of the adverb. An adverb is a word that tells us more about the adjective, okay, more about the adverb, and also say something about the verb. Okay, so kind of adverb. Here is a now next topic is how many kinds of adverb. So at the screen of this board you can see here the adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency. Okay, it is an important part of the adverb. Adverb of manner. First topic is adverb of manner. First, what is the means of adverb of manner? So you can see here adverb of manner show us the way the action is done. They answer the following question like how. When you use how interrogative word in a sentence and what was the answer we have to get, that is known as a adverb. What kind of the adverb? Adverb of manner. Like a well, badly, nicely, slowly, loudly, quietly, happily, sadly, etc. are the kind of adverb. What kind of the adverb? Adverb of manner. Okay. So when your action, how can you perform your action? It's known as a adverb of manner. Like they play happily. They play happily. In this sentence you can see someone is play and how he play happily. So happily word is known as a adverb of manner. Okay. Now next is adverb of place. Adverb of place. So here is the definition of adverb of place. Adverb of place show us the location of the action or state. Okay, they answer the following question. It means when any action word performed in a place, okay, and how it was performed in a place. So this word is known as a adverb of place. And in which word we have to get the answer? By using the where. Okay, here, there, outside, inside, away, around, anywhere, abroad. These are the words that tell us something about a place. Okay, and when these words used in a sentence with to describe about the verb, describe about the adjective, describe about the adverb. So these kind of the word known as adverb of place. Okay, I hope you all understand it. Here the C is here. Next is adverb of time. Okay, in this we know about that adverb of time show us the time of the action or state. Okay, time of the action or state. So here the now word refer to the time, soon word refer to the time, later, yesterday, tomorrow, early, before, lately, recently. All these words refer to the time period. Okay, and it is also used for the describe for the verb, adjective or adverb in a sentence. So these words also known as a adverb of time. And how we search this word in a sentence with the help of when. When we use when word in a sentence, then we have to get the word, these words, that word known as a adverb of time. Okay, you can see here they are having dinner now. So the person having a dinner in which time? So time is now. Okay, and we use here when he taking a dinner. So The answer will be now. Now next is adverb of frequency. Frequency means when your action word doing again and again. Okay, again and again, that is known as a frequency. So here the definition of frequency. Adverb of frequency show us the frequency of the action or state. They answer the following question: how often? Okay. So always, never, sometimes, often, rarely, usually, occasionally. These are the action word. It is a frequency word. Okay, and when this frequency word used in a sentence, then it will be the adverb of frequency. I hope you all understand it. Okay, you can see here example. I have never done this before. So here the action performed never. Okay, so this word is known as a adverb of frequency. Okay, now rules regarding the position of adverb in a sentence. It means in which place we can use the adverb, or what is the position of adverb in a sentence. So an adverb that modifies an adjective or another adverb in a usually placed before the modifying word. Okay, for example, the weather is very cloudy. Here it already says that adverb that modify, okay, an adjective or another adverb is usually placed before the modifying word. So here the word is cloudly. Okay, it is an adverb. Cloudly is an adverb, and who modified it? Modified by the very. So this modifier word used before the word which modify it. Okay. So in place of cloudy or any, it is adverb. In place of adverb, if you write down here adjective, so we can use the adverb before the adjective, before the adverb. I hope you all understand it. Now next is when an adverb is required to be placed before a verb which consists of more than one word. Okay, look here. When an adverb of required to be placed before a verb which consists of more than one word, the adverb must be placed the first word of the verb. Okay, so here the my parents shall certainly talk. So here the verb talk. Okay, before the verb we can place the adverb. It's clear? So it is a simple rule. Whenever we get the verb in a sentence, before the verb we place the adverb. Okay, it's clear? Now next is rule number 3. An adverb of frequency which answers the question how often. Often, usually, generally, always, never. Or adverb like already, hardly, nearly, almost is usually before the verb it's modified. For example, she usually comes. So here the verb comes, and this is the verb, and the word modify it. The word modified it is a usually. So this usually word is used before the verb. I hope you all understand it. Now next is rule number 4. An adverb is placed after the verb be, am, is, are, was, or were. Okay, many of the sentences has a helping verb or linking verb with the finite verb or main verb. Okay, so if we get this type of the verb in a sentence, so after the is, am, are, or was verb, we have to use adverb. Okay, and this adverb used before the finite verb. Like here the finite verb is late. Okay, and here the is a linking word or helping verb. So between these verb we can use these adverb. Okay, adverb of place. Okay, so I hope you all understand it. Next is rule number 5. So an adverb of place, here, there, up and down. Okay, it is a adverb of place. Okay, or of time, adverb of time like now, then, today is placed after the verb or after the object in the is an object. Okay, if we have to get such type of the adverb of place or adverb of time, and you can notice it here, these adverb of place or these adverb of time. So these adverb, okay, used or placed after the verb or after the object if there is an object. Like he parks the car here. So you can see here, it is a subject, it is a verb. Okay, before the verb we can use adverb, but here the adverb used at the last. Why? Because it is a, here is a adverb of place. Okay, and we can use these adverbs after the object if object is included in a sentence, after the object or after the verb. It's clear? So here the here word used at the last of the sentence. So learn these adverb. Next is rule number 6. The adverb enough is always placed after the word it modifies. Okay, so here the Raj is clever enough to travel alone. Okay, so enough is a adverb, and whose this adverb modify it always placed after the word. After the word means here the clever is a adjective word, and this clever word modified by the enough. So this enough word used after the word that he modify or it modify. Okay, so next is rule number 7. Where an adverb qualifies a sentence, it must be placed at the head of sentence. Okay, when an adverb qualifies a sentence, it must be placed at the head of the sentence. So you can see here, fortunately we found a garage near the highway. So in this sentence, all these words are not these words, these sentence, all these sentence modified or qualified by a adverb. So this adverb used before the modifier sentence. Okay, next is rule number 8. When there is more than one adverb in a sentence, the order should be adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. This is a very important. If any sentence, if you get one or more than one adverb, okay, it means more than two adverb in a sentence, the sequence of the adverb will be, in the first you can use adverb of manner, after that adverb of place, and after that adverb of time. So look here, she will sing beautifully on the stage next week. So in this sentence you can see, first used as a adverb of manner, and after that on the stage it is a adverb of place, and here in the last adverb of time, next week it is referred to the adverb of time. So it is a sequence of the adverb that we can use in a sentence. Okay, so learn it. I hope you all understand about the adverb and its kind and how its position used in a sentence. So it is enough for you. In the next video we have to discuss of the next topic. So thank you for the watching video.